To lock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find home screen. Tap home screen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu by long tapping on an empty area on your home screen so that you can go to the home screen edit screen and then select setting. Now tap the gray on off switch next to lock home screen layout until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, go to the home screen. Try moving an item. You can see that whenever you try to move an item on your home screen, you will receive a pop-up notification saying that the home screen layout is locked. In other words, you can enable lock home screen layout option to prevent items on your home screen from being accidentally removed or repositioned. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.